basically, we're making sure these rings have the least amount of clearance and the flattest mating surfaces, the tightest mating surfaces, so that when we solder, there's not much of a gap, number one, and number two, the solder can bind and adhere the two sides together the best. Because obviously the further apart something is, the weaker that point is, so we want to get it nice and close before we do our solder. Putting it in our solder clamp and using our MAP gas torch to heat the ring after we put our flux on it. You don't have to get it up to soldering temperature, just get it nice and warm. And then grab yourself a piece of solder. Heat up your surface some more on the ring. Get your bead of solder nice and hot so it sticks. Once it's on there, I like to set down my soldering pick and just use the torch because I can control the heat a little bit better. And then you just heat it up until it fills in and solders the joint completely. Then we're going to cool it off, check our soldering point, and move to the next link. Obviously, the better job you do in the beginning with each link, the better your cut, and the better, the roundness of your link is. The flatter your cut, the better it's going to just go together from the get-go. It's always good to check things, but typically speaking, if you're doing a good job in the beginning, it makes a lot less work later on, is what I'm trying to say. And everything comes out obviously better. It's all about the foundation. Come here. That's 115, 118, something like that links. So, heck yeah.